Hi, this is Sally and I'm going to be showing you today how to make Italian style baked egg. I rather like it, it's nice and simple. So what I'm going to do to start off is to cut these into just under 1/4 inch slices. Now I've lined a colander with paper towels. I'm just going to pop those in like this, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on each layer. Just a small amount. You really don't want to put too much on there. I'm going to put the next layer on and repeat. The salt helps bring the water out of the eggplant, or aubergine as we call it in the UK, so that not too much liquid goes into the dish. If you want to, you can take the skin off, because sometimes it gets a little bit tough. Now I've got the microwave on, microwaving the potatoes. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter around the bottom, not very much, just a little bit like that of the sides. The aubergine eggplant has been resting for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to squash that and get the water out and just pop them down, squeeze them a little bit, because you don't want them putting too much of the water in there. I don't need to take the salt off them because that will come off on here. Here we go. And you just lay them out. They can be on top of each other. That doesn't matter. In a minute I'll get to clean one of these. If you don't want to use a whole aubergine, you don't have to. I've just put a whole one in. Goes in the fridge and you can eat it the next day. But you do need a couple of layers of them. Now I've got some marinara sauce here, which I'm going to spoon over. You can use any that you like. There's no specific brand that you need to use. Put some in the smaller ones as well. Quite a generous coating because you don't want anything to burn. I think just maybe one more scoop in here. Just make a little bit of a dip in the sauce and pop an egg in there very carefully. I'm going to do the same in this one. That's in there too. I'll probably put 5 in the other one. Put some pepper on, a very small pinch of salt, and then I have some cheese here which I'm also going to top up. Just a little bit of parmesan. I will be putting these in an oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 centigrade, or gas mark 5, so a moderate oven, for 20 minutes. Sometimes I have this for breakfast, just this on its own with nothing, but brunch I'll have it with bread and oil, and in the evening I'll have it with a baked potato. So it's quite a versatile meal and very simple. We try to have at least 1 to 2 meals every week without meat. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I've been able to teach you something of interest. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely perfect. And in the meantime, please take care. See you later. Ciao. I'm going to really enjoy this.